Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Mac and the receiving device so the connection works. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and enable Airplay receiver in system settings under sharing. Once done, look for the Airplay icon in the menu bar or Open Control Center. This is how you initiate streaming. Doing these steps first reduces compatibility issues, and updating Mac OS ensures the latest Airplay protocol and fixes are present, so discovery and mirroring work reliably. Next, choose how you want to stream and why each option matters. Open Control Center or click the Airplay icon. Select the target device from the list. Choose Mirror Display to show the same screen, use as separate display to extend your workspace, or Airplay Video to send only media. If a code appears on the receiver, type it to authenticate. Make sure to check display preferences for resolution and scaling because wrong settings cause stuttering or cropping, and changing them fixes most image quality issues. Finish by stopping Airplay from the menu bar or control center. That cleanly releases the receiver and returns the Mac to normal display settings. If audio or video lags, switch the Mac's audio output to the Airplay device in sound preferences and lower resolution or frame rate in app playback settings. If things go wrong, restart both devices and the Wi-Fi router first. This resolves most issues. If discovery still fails, make sure the firewall isn't blocking incoming Airplay connections and temporarily disable it to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.